What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. And in today's video, I have the Mathews V3X 33, and I'm going to be shooting it today. Just sort of shooting it, tell you guys what I think. I also am going to be setting up my Archer's Advantage app for my Excel Achieve XP. I tried doing it once and it's a little bit off, so I'm going to redo that, and I can show you guys how that works. Yeah, I'm just sort of going to be shooting. I'll go over my setup and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. All right, so I'm gonna go over my setup real quick. It is the Mathews V3X 33 in the granite color. For a rest, I have the Hamskea Hybrid Target Pro. It's the Hybrid Hunter Pro, and I just threw a target blade on there and took the cage off. And then I have, for stabilizers, I'm running the Shrewd Vantage 12-inch in the front with a 10-degree down quick disconnect. There's 3 ounces on the front there. In the back, it is a 7-inch Shrewd Vantage with, I believe, 8 ounces. So, and then for the sight, I've got an Excel Achieve XP with the Ultra View, just a standard one, not the Excel. Ultra View, and then I have a 4X lens in there with a center drilled fiber, and then I have it wrapped around the outside there so it gets a lot of sunlight. And then for peep sight, I have the Podium Peep by Specialty Archery, and I believe I have the 1.5 power clarifier in there, a nose button, and for release I have the Ultra View 2, or Ultra View, just the standard hinge. I've been really liking it. And in this video for arrows, I'm going to be doing the Kinetic Chaos 300s. It's very overspined. They're my hunting arrows, and my outdoor ones haven't came yet, so I have been just shooting these 60 pounds, 29-inch draw length. So let's get this thing going. So it is, all right, so this is 32 yards. So this should be at about the 30.5 mark. So if you guys see here, you see that tape, this tape right here, and it's not exponential. So it's the gap between the 10 and the 10 and 20 and like the 80, 90 down there. It's the same gap. And so what you do is there's an app on your phone. It's called Archer's Mark. And that's what it looks like. That's what the app looks like. So it's got all your yardages on it. So that way you don't have to have sight tape or anything. All right, let's try this out. All right, we're a little bit low. I think that's pretty money. I think that's right in there. Do one more just to make sure. Had this V3X for a couple months now, and shot it a lot indoor. Improved a ton with it. Now I just switched to outdoor, and I'm starting to shoot outside now that the snow's finally gone here in Minnesota. And yeah, this is my favorite bow I've ever shot. All right, that's money. One more. Not trying to wreck any arrows today, so. All right, let's go check those out. So that is a group. So I was a little low, then I worked my way up, and now I think I'm right on. So I'm gonna take 2 more at that 32-yard mark, and then I'll work my way back. All right, so for this app, all right, so if you guys can see here, you have the, all right, so you got the name, you have peep to pin, so throw it in a draw board and then do it. And then you have peep to arrow. That is 5 and 3/30, so that's why it's such a small fraction. Then you set which site it is. So the excels are the 20 click, 2.6 turn option. And then you do your arrow weight, arrow diameter, range, and your mark. So this one is actually 32.4 is what I switched it to. And now we're gonna get a far shot in mark, or shot in far mark is what they call it. And then it just generates your sight tape from there. So let's back up a little bit and we'll get that mark. All right, I decided to move back a little bit farther, and I am at, should be around 67 yards. All right, let's give this a shot. Try not to lose an arrow. I should be pretty close. I think that was money. Looks like I'm a touch low. It's so nice getting outside and shooting after all winter, being cooped up inside at 20 yards. All right, I'm gonna shoot these 2. I'm not gonna move my sight just so I can see my grouping. All right, those all look pretty good. Touch to the right. Kind of stinks, 2 of them went like almost through the target, so it was a little hard to see where they hit. But I'm gonna not move my sight and just see what kind of a group I can get. All right, let's take a look. Look pretty good. I'm gonna shoot these other 2 just so I can keep that group going, see what I can get. Yeah, so overall opinions on the bow. So far I love it. I had that VXR 31.5 before this, and I love that bow, but it was just switching over to this. It's just a lot more stable, a lot more riser to it. My X count jumped up a ton when I started shooting that. And I'm only shooting short bars still, but yeah, so here is the group. So that is 67 yards. Pulled that one high. Otherwise, that's a pretty solid group. Looks like it's a touch to the right and a touch low. And I did have one that sort of passed through the target here. And it looks like that one is right in the 10. So just not the correct spot. A little bit low still. All right, well, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed just this little shooting vlog style video. Yeah, haven't posted in a while, so it feels good to be making videos again. Definitely stay tuned. I'll have a lot of content this summer. Yeah, it's gonna be it for today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, hi, Luna. Hi. Oh, come here. Come here. Oh, you're all muddy. Get out of the way. What's that? Winnie, go somewhere else.